Deep within each of us lies a dreamer, a wellspring of creativity waiting to be tapped. It's the voice that whispers of possibilities, urging us to explore the uncharted territories of our imagination. This inner artist, yearning to express itself, is not bound by age, profession, or background. It's a universal language, a symphony waiting to be composed, a canvas longing for vibrant hues. From the moment we first pick up a crayon to doodle on a wall, we're tapping into this innate desire to create. The world transforms into a playground of colors, shapes, and sounds. We find joy in the act of making our mark, leaving an imprint of our unique perspective on the world. This innate desire to create isn't just a fleeting childhood fancy. It's a fundamental aspect of what makes us human. It's the driving force behind every work of art, every invention, every story ever told. It's the spark of innovation, the engine of progress, the heartbeat of humanity. So why not awaken the dreamer within? Why not embrace the joy of artistic expression? The canvas is calling, the instruments are tuned, the words are waiting to be strung together like pearls on a necklace. The world is your oyster, and you are the artist. Art speaks a language that transcends words, borders, and cultural differences. A brushstroke on canvas, a melody carried on the wind, a verse that dances on the tongue. These are the threads that weave the tapestry of human experience. They have the power to evoke emotions, spark dialogue, and foster connection in ways that words alone often cannot. Think of the awe-inspiring beauty of Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling, a testament to the power of human aspiration and faith, or the haunting melodies of Mozart, capable of transporting us to distant realms of emotion. Consider the evocative imagery of Maya Angelou's poetry, stirring our souls and challenging our perspectives. Art, in its many forms, is a powerful tool for communication and connection. It allows us to share our stories, our dreams, our fears, and our hopes with the world. It creates bridges of understanding and empathy, reminding us of our shared humanity. Within each of us lies a wellspring of creative potential, waiting to be unleashed. Perhaps you've always admired the vibrant hues of a painter's palette, the way colors blend and harmonize to create breathtaking scenes. Maybe you felt a surge of emotion listening to a moving piece of music, your soul resonating with its rhythm and melody. Or perhaps you found solace and inspiration in the written word, losing yourself in the pages of a captivating novel. The beauty of artistic expression is that it knows no bounds. Whether your passion lies in painting, music, writing, dance, or any other form of creative pursuit, the key is to embrace the journey of exploration. Allow yourself to experiment, to make mistakes, to discover your unique voice. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to be an artist. It's about tapping into your inner world, giving shape and form to your emotions, thoughts, and experiences. It's about finding joy in the act of creation itself, regardless of the outcome. Just like a seed needs fertile soil, sunlight, and water to flourish, so too does our creativity require nourishment and care. Cultivating an environment that fosters inspiration and encourages self-expression is essential for our artistic growth. Carve out dedicated time for your creative pursuits, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Treat it as an appointment with yourself, a sacred space where you can connect with your inner artist. Surround yourself with beauty, whether it's the vibrant colors of nature, the intricate details of a work of art, or the harmonious melodies of your favorite music. Don't be afraid to seek inspiration from others. Attend workshops, visit museums, read books by artists you admire. Embrace the power of community by connecting with fellow creatives, sharing your work, and learning from one another. Section 5. The transformative power of expression. The act of artistic expression is more than just a hobby or a pastime. It's a transformative journey that has the power to heal, empower, and inspire. When we create, we tap into a wellspring of emotions, thoughts, and experiences, giving them shape and form in the physical world. Expressing ourselves creatively allows us to process difficult emotions, work through challenges, and find solace in times of adversity. It can be a cathartic release, a way to make sense of the world around us, and to connect with something larger than ourselves. Moreover, the act of creation can boost our self-esteem, foster self-discovery, and empower us to embrace our authentic selves. When we create something beautiful, meaningful, or thought-provoking, we gain a sense of accomplishment and pride in our abilities. Section 6. Embracing the journey, not just the destination. In the pursuit of artistic expression, it's easy to get caught up in the desire for perfection, to strive for flawless execution and critical acclaim. But true creativity flourishes when we let go of the need for external validation and embrace the joy of the journey itself. Remember that every masterpiece begins with a single stroke, a single note, a single word. The beauty lies not just in the final product, but in the process of bringing it to life, in the exploration of ideas, the experimentation with techniques, and the evolution of our creative vision. Embrace the imperfections, the mistakes, the detours along the way. They are not failures, but rather valuable learning experiences, opportunities for growth and refinement. It's in those moments of vulnerability and experimentation that we often stumble upon our most authentic and innovative work. Section 7. Finding inspiration in the everyday. Inspiration for our artistic endeavors can be found in the most unexpected places. It might be a fleeting moment of beauty, a vibrant sunset, a child's laughter, the intricate patterns of a spider web. It could be a profound conversation, a life-changing experience, or a simple act of kindness. Train yourself to be present in the moment, to observe the world around you with curiosity and wonder. Keep a journal handy to jot down ideas, thoughts, and observations that spark your imagination. You never know when inspiration might strike. Remember, creativity is not a finite resource. The more we use it, the more we have. So embrace the world as your muse and allow yourself to be surprised and delighted by the endless possibilities for artistic exploration. Section 8. The timelessness of artistic expression. The desire to create, to express oneself through art is as old as humanity itself. From the cave paintings of our ancestors to the digital art of today, humans have always sought ways to leave their mark on the world, to share their stories, and to connect with one another through creative expression. The tools and mediums may change, but the essence of artistic expression remains timeless. It's a universal language that transcends cultures, languages, and generations. It's a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit to find beauty, meaning, and connection in the world around us. As we embrace our own creativity, we become part of this rich tapestry of human expression, adding our unique voices to the chorus. We contribute to a legacy that will continue to inspire and uplift generations to come. Section 9. A legacy of creativity. Imagine the world without the transformative power of art, a world devoid of music's ability to stir the soul, of literature's capacity to transport us to other realms, of art's power to challenge perspectives and ignite our imagination. It would be a bleak and desolate landscape indeed. By embracing our creativity, we not only enrich our own lives but also contribute to a legacy that extends far beyond ourselves. We inspire others to tap into their own creative potential, to see the world through a different lens, and to find beauty in unexpected places. Our creations, no matter how big or small, have the power to leave a lasting impact on the world. They can spark conversations, challenge assumptions, and inspire change. They can offer solace, ignite hope, and remind us of the power of the human spirit. Section 10. Unleash your inner artist. The world needs your unique voice, your perspective, your creative spirit. Don't let fear, self-doubt, or the busyness of life stifle the artist within you. Embrace the joy of creation, the transformative power of expression, and the legacy you'll leave behind. Pick up a paintbrush, strum a guitar, dance like nobody's watching. Write the story that's burning within you. The world is your canvas, your stage, your blank page. It's time to unleash your inner artist and let your creativity soar. Remember, as James Allen so eloquently stated, you will become as small as your controlling desire, as great as your dominant aspiration. So dream big, aspire to greatness, and let your creativity be your guide. The world is waiting to be touched by your unique brand of magic.